uMabiyela umithe uMseleku wamwamukela as umakoti, and they had a very quiet conversation about who's going to be the first wife between her and Tirelo. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Izingane Zosithembu. So uMpumelelo no Mabiyela, they went out kubowling together eMhlanga, and then bese lapho ke uSibindi atshela uMabiyela ukuthi he doesn't like ukuthi yena noTirelo abazwani. Athi uMabiyela mina yena nje akayingeni because even ukuxolisa kwaTirelo, she only did it because uMpumelelo sort of like told her to apologize. So nje kwathi nje kusuke kwaba nengqabano when they had an altercation. Tirelo akhipha ama-frustrations wakhe kuMabiyela, and then they showed us a message that a message exchange between Tirelo no Amahle. And it read as follows. So Tirelo sent a message to Amahle saying, "Love it for you, sis. Please do talk to him to not neglect his son. But because he doesn't want to account for sleeping around, uhlukene nami not ingane ayondle ngiyacela." And then uMabiyela waphendula wathi, "How sorry my love, ezababili azingenwa. Ngiwubani nje mina ongakhuluma lezo zindaba. As you said, akuyona a-group work." Abuye uTirelo athi, I don't know why I misdirected my anger to you. I let whatever that was going on take me out of character. And honestly, ungenaphi wena? Nowhere, although your response was so condescending and sarcastic, which actually just proved to me that you just bluntly don't see me, or rather respect me, but it's okay. Because it's, in all honesty, I was like, Shuthile pillow talk ingame, what nonsense is this? Nonetheless, it is what it is. Just because my relationship is over now, you shouldn't be happy. Total bullshit. I just want to apologize for misdirecting my anger towards you. So it seems uTirelo sendele Amahle imessage because becabana noSibindi. And bathi lana, it was around November last year, 2024. So it's sort of like uTirelo was trying to get uMabiyela to talk to uMpumelelo for her because being ayondle ingane, uTirelo is not paying child support. So uTirelo was trying to reach out to Amahle, like njani ungenaphi uAmahle endabeni zakhe. Anyway, athi nje uMabiyela yena vele nje akwazi umtolerate uTirelo. It means vele indaba yokuget her along, she doesn't see it happening. And then ke bahambe ke uMpumelelo no Amahle bayomitha uMseleku at some restaurant. Babonana ke uMseleku no Amahle. Amahle athi yo, it was a surprise, abamtshelanga. Afike nje sehlangana noMseleku athi yo, I'm anxious, ngithukile nje. Ambingelele vele welcome nje kamnandi uMseleku. Bese uyambuza ke usukutshelile yini uMpumelelo ukuthi yena ufuna isithembu, ufuna umshado ofana nawami. Athi uMpumelelo athi Amahle yebo, bathi manje wena uyakwazi ukuthi unomunye uzoshada nathi, you know, but Tirelo athi yeah, I know her, we've met. Athi okay fine. So athi uSibindi, wena ufila kanjani? Ungafila kanjani if ngaba a second wife and then Tirelo abe first wife? Athi nje uMabiyela yena, she was not told ukuthi uMpumelelo uzohamba yolobala noTirelo, yena wazulotshola yena kuphela, and because yena solotsholiwe, it means that she is the first wife. Athi uMseleku, how kanjani because uTirelo has been around longer than you. Abona uMseleku ukuthi indaba ishubile la, because uMpumelelo ngathi is not being honest about indaba zakhe. Bamkhweshisa ke, and then they start talking babodwa uMpumelelo no uMseleku. Athi uMseleku, how why ngathi say you are repeating history, like the same thing that happened to me ngoma Cele noma wakho is now happening ngawe noTirelo no Amahle. Bayihlekele nje bathi so manje kwenza kanjani. Apparently Tirelo's family does not want to accept amalobolo kaSibindi, so ungathi nje akuhlangane ngemndeni kaTirelo. So and then now that uMpumelelo already paid lobola for Amahle, seyabuza ke ukuthi uMseleku ukuthi how manje uzoba ubani umamkhulu. Athi uMpumelelo uMabiyela, uAmahle Biyela uyena ozoba umamkhulu. Hey, kwashuba ke shothi umatiritiri hayi ngeke asayibona indaba umamkhulu. Athi nje indaba position, athi uMpumelelo indaba position singene uTirelo ekhanda yiye embhayizisayo because uvela abona indaba amachichi ngasayenzeki. She saw that he will not longer be getting married to ngeke salobala a virgin, and then thought that automatically that makes her umamkhulu. Manje sabona manje kufika uMabiyela kulotshola yena kuqala, then lento yamcaka. Kwashuba eMzumbe. And then uMabiyela saying that for them to ambush her like this, kumkhombisa denye impumelelo angalazi, because Mpumelelo does not discuss his plans with her, but ubhizi uthi ufuna ukwakha naye. And then Abongo invite uMpilo no her older brother eGoli. They went out to some yoga nje. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.